Bonjour à tous, je m'appelle Isha, je suis professeur de français. Hello everyone, myself Isha, I'm a French professor. Welcome to my channel Language Pair, one platform for your immigration and French needs. Today we are starting a playlist for complete beginners where we will be learning French in easy and fun way. So before we start with our video, make sure that you subscribe our channel and appreciate my efforts. So today's topic is alphabets. C'est parti! Bonjour à tous. Hello everyone. Let's learn alphabets today. Les lettres de l'alphabet. Les lettres de l'alphabet. Les lettres de l'alphabet. So today we'll be doing alphabets, okay? So French alphabets and English alphabets are absolutely same, okay? The only difference is the pronunciation. So let's start with the first alphabet, which is A, okay? Now, what I'll do, I'll make sure that I write everything in Hindi so that it's easier to relate with your mother tongue, okay? And also, I have mentioned the pronunciations in English. Now, let's start with the first alphabet, which is alphabet A. Now, the pronunciation of A is like A, A, A. So, whenever it is alphabet A, you have to make sure that you open your mouth widen, okay? And make sure that I write it down in Hindi. So, it's like A, 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 A. Répétez après moi. A, A, A. Now, the next alphabet, if I talk about, is B, which is B, 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 B. Let me write the pronunciation for you so that it's easier to understand in Hindi. B, B, B. Now, C, 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 C. Répétez après moi. A, B, C. Now let's do D is known as D, 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 D. E is known as like E, 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 E. F, 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 F. Now G is like J, 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 J. G is like J, J, J. Now H is Ash, 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 Ash. I is E, 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 E. And J is G, 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 G. So J is G and G is J. Okay. Now let's proceed ahead. K. K is K. 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 L. L. M. M. N. N. O. They are absolutely same the way you speak them in English. L, M, N, O. L, M, N, O. Now, pay, 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 pay. Now, let's do this one. Q, that's Q, 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 Q. R is little challenge in French, but you have to make sure that you master it, okay? Because it's very, very important. So it's like air, 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 air. S is S, c'est le même, it's the same. S, S. Now, T is T, 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 T. U is U, 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 U. We is way, way. way, way. W is W, 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 W. X is X, 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 X. Y is Y, 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 Y. Z is Z, 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 Z. Now, let's repeat it once again. Répétez après moi. A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E, E, F, F, G, G, H, H, I, I, G, G, K, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So these are the alphabets in French, okay? Les lettres de l'alphabet. Now, what you can do, you can watch this video again and again to memorize and get familiar with the sounds of the alphabets. Now, whenever we combine them with the words, the sounds of the alphabets change. Now, let's do in the form of words. Now, let's do the first word, which is A. Now, let's learn this. Argent. Because here, AR is argent. Then again, this is a sound in French, okay? On, on, on. So, argent, argent. Now, B-A, ba-to. So, whenever you see that there is E-A-U, so you read it like O. You read it like O. Ba-to, ba-to, bateau. Now, next, crayon, 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 crayon. Now, Y is read like I. Okay, so you read it like I. Crayon, crayon, crayon. Again, D comme drapeau, drapeau, because E-A-U is like O. So you read it like drapeau, drapeau, drapeau. Next, escargot. Always remember that the last consonants are not pronounced in French. Okay. Now, escargot. Escargot. We break the word and read it to make it easy. Escargot. 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 Now, the next word is France. 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 Now, whenever there is CE, you read it like sir. You read it like sir. You read it like sir. Okay. So, France. 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 Next, I is igloo. 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 Now, whenever there is EU, you read it like in French. Okay. So, it's like je. Je, 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 je. Next, let's do this. Con, A-N-O, con, gu. Whenever there is O-U, so you read it like U. 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 Kangaroo. 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 Now, L, livre. 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 Next, M, miroir. So whenever you see that there is OI, whenever there is OI in French, you read it like oua. You read it like oua. You read it like oua. So whenever there is OI specifically, you read it like oua. Miroir, 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 miroir. Then N, nord, 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 nord. D, il ne prononce pas. It's not pronounced. Okay. Next, orange, 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 orange. P, P, police, police, police. Because CE, again, the sound of S. So, police. 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 Next. Que, question. 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 So whenever you see that there is QU, so you read it like K. Okay? K. 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 So it's like question. 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 Next. R. R. Ru. 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 Next. Whenever there is S, so you read so lay. So lay. So lay. So lay. So lay. Next. T is like te, so you read thran. 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 Next, usine, usine, usine. So see, there is one rule in French which I would mention writing here. The rule says that whenever there is a single S, whenever there is a single S surrounded by two vowels, it gives the sound of z, z. Okay, so we will read like usine. The pronunciation will be of, so we read it like usine, 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 usine. Okay, next, here, let's do we. Voiture, voiture, voiture. So voiture, voiture. OI again, you know that the sound of OI is UA. I'm writing it Hindi so that you are easily able to relate it and you're easily able to understand it. UA, voiture, voiture, voiture. Next, W, 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 wagon, 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 wagon. X, X is like xylophone, 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 xylophone. Now Y, Y, yo-yo, yo-yo, yo-yo. Z, Z, zebra, 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 zebra. Now, we have to make sure that we are able to understand all these alphabets and the words properly so that, you are able to understand everything nicely, which is very, very important. So if you want to try repeating it again and again, you can play, pause, and listen it again and again so that you are able to work on your sounds and you can add on some new words in your vocabulary. Thank you for watching. Do make sure that you subscribe my channel.